Today we're going to be changing the air shocks on our 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can order these online. I bought ours at Amazon, and we'll put a link in the video for you. So what we did first was, for safety reasons, since both our shocks weren't working, we got this little paint pole. We got it at one of the hardware stores, so it's adjustable. We have it holding up our top here. And because it's very important to line up the holes when you're putting it back in. So they have to be lined up exactly. And we'll show you how to do that. What we're going to use today is a T40 bit on our ratchet and extension, and a T40 bit. Okay. We always start on the top of the shock. I'll let you come down here, get a good angle on that. Start down the bottom. Okay, our old shock. It's our new shock. Thread it in. Now that that's in, I'm going to stop for a second, come down here, and line up the bottom, and get that in. Make sure you have to push up on this, so you probably need another person to help you, and get it all the way up so you can get it lined in evenly, because there's a lot of tension on these shocks. Okay, now that that's started, this one's started, we'll just finish her up. That one's in. Now we'll just tighten this one up. Let's give it a try. And that's how you change the rear liftgate trunk struts on your 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.